The Reggae Boys U18 official squad for Turkey has been announced. Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. We're gonna give you guys some updates regarding to the U18 squad. I did a video yesterday on it. Roughly just kind of run over certain aspect of it. But this time I have the squad, the delegates who are traveling, and I also have more information on how the group is set up for so you guys can see. So before I do anything, people, maybe you not like the video now, you're going. Don't worry about that. Thank you very much for joining. At the end of the video, I'm going to tell you if you like it. Because more than likely, you're not going to like it the same way. So there you go. Anyways, thank you very much for tuning in. Really appreciate it, you guys. Massive appreciation for the support. Take it 10 whatever minutes out of your day to come and join. So before going into the squad, let's just run through the details surrounding the travel. So that's going to give you guys all the update so you can understand what is happening and what is really taking place. Because I've done quite a few videos, and I do believe that most of you guys kind of don't really know. So we're going to jump into it right away. Here we are. All right, so this is the squad. Friendship tournament, which will be held in Turkey starting this weekend. They will depart actually the 19th. Initially, I thought the departure would have been tomorrow, which would have been the 18th. So for confirmation, no official confirmation, they will depart on Friday. That's Friday coming. And return on May the 1st. So that's actually a good time period. That's roughly like about 2 weeks. Almost 2 weeks. They'll be staying for almost 2 weeks. Jamaica will first tackle Saudi Arabia on April the 22nd. They will also take on Turkey on April the 24th and Mali on April 27th. So basically, you can already see that that's our zone. Our group comprises of Mali, Saudi Arabia, and Turkey. So it's two groups. Next group is group A. That's Jamaica. Jamaica is in group A. Mali, Saudi Arabia, and Turkey are the other three teams in our group. Group B, Ecuador, Guatemala, Morocco, Slovakia. So those are the other teams in the next group. So let me give you some more information. Let me run back through. First game will be on April the 22nd. Then we'll have next game, that will be Saudi Arabia. Then we face Turkey on April the 24th. And then on the 27th, we clash off with Mali. So that leaves maybe a few days, just a few days in between for the semi-finals and finals. So which you know so we're going to make. Yeah, well, hopefully. Hopefully. Anyways, listen to this. This is some more information surrounding the tournament. The UEFA Friendship Tournament are a new initiative aimed at creating opportunities for talented young players to gain additional experience playing international football against teams from different confederations. This pilot's U18 men's edition will be hosted by Turkey Football Federation, TFF, at the Sense de Lo... Listen, me no Turkish, so I can't read it. But it's Sense de Loix Hotel, probably pronounced in a different manner. Somebody say give based off of me see. Sports complex inside near at Antalya, bringing together 8 national teams from 5 different confederations: AFC, AFCON, CONCACAF, CONMEBOL, UEFA. Ooh, that's nice. And the African and the Asian Federation as well. The tournament will provide a unique opportunity for technical staff and players to grow both on and off the pitch. They will experience different playing styles and cultures, be able to exchange knowledge, learn from each other, and make new friends. I know football is a friendly game, no matter how competitive it is still friendly. Make new friends from across the globe. This is what the UEFA Friendship Tournaments are all about. Participating team will be divided into the following 2 groups, as I just mentioned. Group A, Jamaica, Mali, Saudi Arabia, and Turkey. Group B, Ecuador, Guatemala, Morocco, and Slovakia. So these are the teams, and as I said, competition will take place between the 19th of April to May 1st. So 19th, actually, that's the first day, then kick off. Luckily, we're not on a game on that day. Thank God. We're not on a game on that day. Anyways, let's jump straight into The squad, as I mentioned, that I will share in the squad with you guys. Let's jump straight into the squad, people. Let's go. Where is the squad? As you can see, this is the squad, people. I hope say you can see it good. If you can't, let me just run through the names. Let me just run through the names so you guys can hear as well. We have Jordan McDowell from Portmore United. We have Javin Williams from Reno FC. We have Tawain Lynch from Mount Pleasant FC. You know, he play for JC. And we have O'Neill Edley from Chapelton Maroons. We have Dustin Coyne, Veer United FC. We have J. Lloyd Smith, Cavaliers SC. We have Daniel Clark and a touch. He didn't really play for no club. Very, very talented though. Clarendon College, then call him Dan Dan. We have Nation Bolt Barrett from Arnett Garden. Justin McPherson and a touch. Nashada Gibbs, Real Mona. Dylan John and a touch. Orion Watson, Chapelton Maroon. Matthew Ellis, Cavalier SC. Jason White, Umberland FC. Ryan Webb, FC Manchester. DeAndre Gallimore, Chapelton Maroons. That's what Gallimore really young. Alex James, Real Mona. That's a goalkeeper. So 2 goalkeeper, Tawain Lynch and Alex James. Dante Escaffrey, Petersfield FC. And Petersfield FC are playing at the Tier 2 competition. Odian Wilberforce, Cavaliers. Cavalier, what is keeping us Lears? Cavalier. And Keanu Jackson, Cavalier SC. So those are the players. So maybe at the end I should probably run back through the players as well. And you can see on your screen. You can see on your screen. Let me see if we can make it bigger. I think it'll get no bigger than that still. But I think that should be good enough. Yeah. I think it should be good enough. Of course. Yeah, it should be good enough, man. It should be big enough. Yeah. All right. Anyways, I don't know why I'm going fast with this. I don't know why I'm going fast with this. Anyways, let me just run back, finish now with the other aspect of it. So this is the staff, the delegates will be traveling. Head coach Lenny Hyde, assistant coach Rudolph Assin. I think Rudolph Assin will also be the assistant coach for the U20 team. Goalkeeper coach Andrew Sewell. Equipment manager Tyrese Palmer. Manager Karen Clark Lumsden. Team doctor Edmund Regis. Technical director Wendell Dunswell. And HOD, head of department, Gregory Daly. So that is the traveling delegate. I think most of you guys would actually be coming here because they want to see who the players are that would be representing. And I think that's fair. That's definitely fair. Anyways, let me run back through the players so you guys can just run back through the players, people, because I know so we're not going to ask it again. Let me run back through it for the last time. Jordan McDowell, Portmore United, Javin Williams, Reno FC, Tawain Lynch, Mount Pleasant, O'Neill Headley, Chapelton Maroons, Dustin Coyne, Veer United, J. Lloyd Smith, Cavalier, Daniel Clark, and attach, Nation Bolt Barrett, Arnett Garden, Justin McPherson, and attach, Nashada Gibbs, Real Mona, Dylan John, and attach, Orion Watson, Chapelton Maroon, Matthew Ellis, Cavalier SC, Jason White, Busquets, Sense, Lion, Ron Webb FC, Ron Webb FC Manchester, DeAndre Gallimore, Chapelton Maroons, Alex James, Real Mona, Dante Escaffrey, Petersfield, Odin Wilberforce, Cavalier, Keanu Jackson, Cavalier. So that is what the squad looks like, people. Tell us what you think in the comment section. Massive respect, people. Big up on yourself every time, all the time. And I'll see you guys again. Once and for all. Peace out. God bless. Oh, like the video. Hey, so we reach a point now when we can ask, if you guys did like the video, you can like it. If you like the information, you can like the video. If you're here for the first time and like the information, you can join the platform because we have money, we provide lots of this type of information. So big up on yourself, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you're here for the first time, you can also join the membership. Big up on yourself every time, people. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. Road. God bless. Enjoy your day. Boom, boom.